The Supreme Court will hear oral arguments Tuesday in two cases concerning the approval of abortion drug Mifepristone, potentially limiting access to the medication as it's become a more prominent abortion method in the wake of the High Court overturning Roe v. Wade in June 2022. The Supreme Court will hear the Mifepristone dispute on Tuesday and issue a decision sometime before its term ends in late June. If the court rules against the FDA and Danco and restricts access to Mifepristone, the drug's availability would revert back to how it was before updates were enacted in 2016 and 2021. This would take away the ability to be prescribed Mifepristone via telehealth or receive the drug through mail delivery, meaning the medication would only be able to be prescribed and taken in person at a physician's office. It would also only be available through the first 7 weeks of pregnancy, rather than 10. If access to Mifepristone is restricted, telehealth patients will still be able to have a medication abortion using only misoprostol. The drug, which has been subject to fewer legal attacks than Mifepristone, can be taken on its own to terminate a pregnancy, though it is marginally less effective and carries more side effects than using Mifepristone. The FDA has not approved a misoprostol-only abortion regimen, but the World Health Organization and other major groups, including the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, have recommended the protocol as an acceptable alternative if Mifepristone isn't available. 0.63%. That's the percentage of all abortions in the U.S. that were medication abortions in 2023, according to the pro-abortion rights Guttmacher Institute. Research has consistently shown medication abortion to be highly safe and 99.6% effective in terminating a pregnancy, with only 0.4% of medical abortions resulting in serious complications. The FDA reports only 28 deaths have been reported in patients associated with Mifepristone between September 2000 and June 2022, though it notes it's not clear if those deaths were actually caused by Mifepristone, as they may have been due to other factors. A February study in Nature also found that medication abortion is equally safe and effective when prescribed via telehealth as when prescribed and taken in a clinical setting. Medication abortion through Mifepristone and misoprostol was first approved by the FDA in 2000. Though widely used even when abortion was legal throughout the U.S., the abortion drugs have gained attention in the wake of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade in June 2022, as they're an easier way for patients in states where the procedure is banned to more easily obtain an abortion, as clinics providing surgical abortions have shut down.